Okay guys, I got a 2021 Mazda CX-5. I'm going to show you how to remove this airbag. It's pretty easy if you know what you're doing. If not, it can be very hard and annoying. So there's 3 spots in here that you have to use. This hole right there on the very bottom, and then that rectangular hole on this side, and then there's another rectangular hole on the other side. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a pick or a thin screwdriver, and when you push it in, so this is the 2 on the side, it's going to look like this. You're going to push it in, it's going to snap that side off. This is going to snap that side off as well. And then for this one, you're going to push it down like this and pull out like that. And that's going to pop that off. It's stuck right here. It's going to pop it out. So that's going to bring that part out, and then these 2 sides are going to bring that out. And then it'll pop right out. So it's kind of hard to see. So here's the bottom one right there. And then really the easiest part is just stick it in here and just play around with it until you pop it out. It's really hard to see, but it's this one right here. And then you do it on the other side as well. And this is what it looks like. So you're trying to pop it out over that. So it's holding on right there, and right here. And again, this is a 2021 Mazda CX-5. I believe they're all the same, CX-9, CX-3. So hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching.